So what killed this beautiful oak tree that's laying in pieces on the ground that was removed yesterday? I'm Sherry with HomeShowGardenPros, and I'm joined today with Ed Dolphin. He's an ISA certified arborist. So Ed, what happened to this poor baby?
Well, you know, Sherry, you've got 2 handfuls of sawdust.
Yes.
This is very fine. This came from insects that were inside the tree.
Mm-hmm.
This came from the saw that cut down the tree. And how do I know that? Literally, look, this is almost as fine as sand.
Mm-hmm.
And this, there's a distinct difference. The sawdust that was created by the insects are attracted to the tree because it was under stress. It was under stress from the summer,
Right.
from the 2 previous droughts, or the 2 previous winters, the drought from this summer, heck, even the stress from Harvey 5 years ago.
Wow, it's still affecting them.
Right.
Wow.
It also had the insects, but it also has a disease on it. This is called hypoxylin canker. And a lot of people will ask me what the difference between this is and this. This is
the white
lichen.
stuff right here?
Yeah, this is
Okay.
lichen. But unfortunately, a lot of people in my industry will tell somebody that their tree that has lichen on it has got hypoxylin canker.
Because they just
And
don't know.
there's a big difference.
Yeah.
Hypoxylin canker is to your tree, like if you went to your doctor and your doctor told you that your cholesterol level was at 800. You've got some serious vascular problems. And unfortunately for this tree, it was under stress.
Mm-hmm.
The insects hit it, the hypoxylin came, and literally it's the 1-2 punch. It's dead.
Right. So it just goes to show the importance of having a trained eye. You are a doctor to the trees,
Yes.
just like we go to the doctor. So we really need to protect our investments, call a trained eye out, and
I would
really
say
get the
annually.
best. Annually would be the best.
Yes.
Especially, we think this year was a problem with the drought. Trees take many, many years to get over these stresses. So
Yes.
next summer could be really
A whole lot worse.
a whole lot worse, especially if we have a hard winter this year,
Yes,
right?
yes, no doubt.
Okay, so everybody needs to get a trained eye in their yard this year to protect your trees. To learn more, join us on Home Show Garden Pros Saturday mornings from 7 to 9.